Hello, this is Crandall, and in this short video, we're going to dive in and talk a little bit more about credit repair businesses. Now, if you're interested in starting or being part of a credit repair business, make sure you check out our free resources at creditsuite.com/credit repair, where you can get your hands on a ton of different marketing resources, dispute letters, everything you'll need to get started in the credit repair industry. So what is credit repair? Well, this is the process of removing inaccurate, unverifiable, and untimely accounts from the personal credit report. Now, here's some actual results from real credit repair so you can get an idea of what's really possible when done correctly. So credit repair is 100% legal. The way that it works is you're actually disputing the items to make sure that they actually meet the requirements of a law known as the Fair Credit Reporting Act. And as you can see here, all of these are real credit repair results. Some cases you get all the items deleted. In some cases you'll see minor or some deletions and other verified with no changes. But one thing that I found personally from credit repair is that about 80 to 90% of negative items can be deleted because they're not supposed to be there to begin with. So how does this really work? Well, there's a lot of consumer laws that govern what creditors and the credit bureaus can and can't do. Now, the main law used in the consumer credit repair industry is the Fair Credit Reporting Act, or the FCRA. Now, the FCRA includes many provisions governing what agencies, including creditors and the credit reporting agencies or the credit bureaus, can and can't do. So, for example, a CRA provides a consumer with information about him or her agency's files and to take steps to verify the accuracy of the information disputed by a consumer. This is a requirement of the FCRA. Okay, so this means that the actual bureaus and the creditor has to make sure that they're reporting accurate information. The FCRA also requires that all data reported meet 3 specific criteria, and this is extremely important because this is the basis of how credit repair really works legally. The Fair Credit Reporting Act requires that all data be 100% accurate, 100% verifiable, and 100% timely, which means that it's actually on there but within the statute of limitations that it's allowed to. So let's actually take a look back and take a look at these 3 independently. 100% accurate. If you've ever looked at a credit report and you've seen negative item, what you've probably noticed is that each bureau reports different information. Well, everybody can't be reporting accurate information if each bureau itself is reporting different information. So, for example, the high credit limit, the balance owed, the date that the account was originally established, the highest amount ever used on that account. Every single point of data on the credit report for that item must be 100% accurate. If it's not 100% accurate, the law requires the item not be on the credit report, meaning it needs to be removed. All data must be 100% verifiable. It is the creditor's obligation to verify any item that is disputed. So if you see a negative item that doesn't look to be accurate, it's the creditor that has to verify that what's being reported is 100% accurate, and they can verify that it is accurate. Meaning if you solicit them, for example, for a copy of your credit card statement history, that history should reflect that what they're reporting is verifiable. And the FCRA also requires that all items be 100% timely or within the statute of limitations. Most negative accounts are not allowed to be on the credit report if the item is more than 7 years past the last time you actually used or paid that bill. So if you had a credit card bill that you haven't paid for 7 years, after 7 years has passed, then that item legally cannot be on the credit report. If items are not 100% accurate, verifiable, and timely, they must be deleted. This is where credit repair businesses come into effect. Credit repair companies are very good at disputing and finding items that are not accurate, verifiable, and timely, and getting those accounts actually disputed. So if you're interested in starting a credit repair business or being part of a credit repair business, make sure you check out this free link we put together, creditsuite.com/credit repair. On that link, I feel confident to say that you'll find more free resources to help you start and run a credit repair business than you'll find anywhere else. Also, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel, where we have a lot of videos, even 30 to 60 minutes, that walk you through the process of disputing, starting credit repair businesses, and running credit repair businesses successfully. Okay, also make sure you click on the link in this video. That link in the video that will pop up will also take you to where you can grab these free resources to help start, build, and grow a successful credit repair business. So thanks again for watching. This is Crandall at Credit Suite. Look forward to seeing you on our next video.